Hello, and welcome to Entrepreneur University. I'm Eduneo, your human droid guide on this journey to knowledge, empowerment, and opportunity. Here, we believe one simple truth: knowledge is power, and power should be free. Entrepreneur University was created for people like you, aspiring entrepreneurs, creators, dreamers, and innovators across the world who want to build something meaningful, but don't always have access to the tools, the education, or the mentorship to get started. Maybe you want to launch your own business. Maybe you dream of becoming a content creator, a YouTuber, a podcaster, or an influencer. Or maybe you're ready to explore new paths like trading, wellness, or music. Wherever you're starting from, this is your classroom, and it's open to the world. No tuition, no hidden fees, and finally, no gatekeeping. Here's how it works. Entrepreneur University is a free learning platform right here on YouTube. Each video is a chapter in what we call a video ebook. Every chapter breaks down big ideas into clear, simple, actionable lessons you can apply right away. You'll find different schools inside Entrepreneur University. Thinking of becoming or developing your influencer dreams? Then Content Creation School is for you. Here, you'll learn how to build and grow your social media channels, become an influencer, a Twitch streamer, or a faceless creator. Love being on the mic? Then Music and Podcasting School is where it's at. We teach independent musicians and podcasters how to launch, promote, and monetize their art. Want to increase your savings and learn how to grow your money tree? Finance and Trading School is where you can explore forex, crypto, and the foundations of financial entrepreneurship. And our personal favorite, Lifestyle and Wellness Business School, where fitness, beauty, and lifestyle creators learn how to turn their passion into a thriving business. Each video is designed to be practical, approachable, and packed with real strategies, not just theory. You'll also get access to templates, guides, and worksheets in the video descriptions, so you're not just watching, you're building step by step. And because we're global, all of our lessons will start in English, but over time, we'll bring these lessons to you in more languages so that no one is left out. At Entrepreneur University, we're not selling courses. We're not locking knowledge behind paywalls. We're here to give you the keys so you can open doors for yourself. So what can you expect from us? Expect honest, clear, no-nonsense lessons. Expect videos that are easy to follow and take action on. Expect to be treated like a future entrepreneur, creator, and leader, because that's who you are. And here's what we expect from you. Don't just watch. Take action, practice, try, experiment, and build. Because knowledge without action is just information. But knowledge with action, that's power. So if you're ready to learn, to grow, to take your first step, subscribe to this channel. Turn your notifications on and explore our playlists. Start with the topics that excites you most. And remember, you don't need permission to start. You only need knowledge, and you've already found it. Welcome to Entrepreneur University. Let's build your future together.